Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday, guys. I have missed you a lot. I hope you guys have missed me too, wink. Guys, just got back from Italy from our little mini holiday, and today back into the craft room to create some really nice ephemera card, tag, anything that you want to call it, with some bees. Who does not like bees? So in just a minute I'll show you how to make this really nice fan fold card / page. So again, you can use it as you want. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. I have missed you all, and I hope you guys have missed me too. No matter if you didn't. No, I'm joking. It's been a couple of weeks with no videos on the channel, only because, guys, I literally didn't have any time before we went on holiday to record and film any videos. So today is actually the first day when we came back. So we flew back from Italy last night, so you're watching this video on a Monday, which is the day I'm filming it. So I'm kind of like trying to speed it up because I really want to publish this video today. So we got back last night, well, kind of like this morning, because we landed at 10 past midnight, and then there is about an hour and a bit journey from Manchester airport to our house. So we got home just after 2:30, I guess, and then we literally put a pyjama on and gone straight to bed. And you know, when you fly, you got headache and, you know, the air conditioning on the plane, so I feel a bit delicate today. If it's the right word. So what has been, it's been a fabulous 10 days, 9 days to be precise. We had a bit of poo-poo weather. Normally in Italy, well, in the south of Italy where I'm from, it don't really rain as much. And there's been a lot of problems in the last 5-6 years because there is where I'm from, basically, there are a lot of farms, and farmers need the water, of course, and need the rain. So there were a lot of dry lands and all these sort of issues. Well, luckily this year, because of climate change, it's been really, really rainy April. So the entire month has been raining literally non-stop. Luckily, nothing has flooded or anything like that. But in other parts of Italy, the bad weather has caused a lot of problems. To be fair, it's our own fault because of climate change. We made this. So we need to be a bit more careful what we're doing to our planet, but I don't want to get into that conversation. But what I wanted to tell you guys, that I got lots of email and messages and comments, and I'm really, really, really appreciate for every single one of them. You guys want an update about the house. Well, last time we went in September, we saw this property, and as I told you in one of the few videos ago, this property had a couple of rooms that were outside. They have been built. There is like a little garden outside. This room, so the owner of the house decided to build these 2 rooms outside in the garden to use as a storage room. But they were not declared in the planning permission because he said that he didn't know that they needed planning permission. Hello. Anyway, so when it comes to sell the house, you have to put the house back to the original shape. So luckily, my uncle is a surveyor, so he's helping us with like all these technical things. Anyways, the owner has demolished the 2 rooms, but there is still a tiny bit of space that he needs to get. So we told him that we are interested in the properties, and now it's up to him. There are some legal paperwork he needs to sort it out to present to the council in order for me and Jane to put an offer on. So as it stands, we're just waiting for him now, but we were really, we made ourselves very clear that we want to buy the property. So fingers crossed. My uncle suggested that this paperwork should be done in the next 3-4 years. 3-4 weeks. But I know very well the Italian bureaucracy and can take a very long time. Fingers crossed it won't. So we're just waiting. As soon as the council said, okay, the actual house matches the floor plans, then we can buy a property, because otherwise the solicitors won't sign the actual agreement to sell the property, because the house that we buy is not the house that's been declared to the council. So those two houses got to match. I hope I'm explaining myself clear. So hopefully in the next few weeks we'll be able to put an offer on, discuss these things with the owner, and then hopefully we get the key. So fingers crossed. It's getting closer and closer and closer. Oh, I'm not came back with the house as I wanted to, but we need to be a bit more what's the word I'm missing? A bit more realistic, because these things can take a long time. But yeah, I'm very confident. I'm a very positive person, and I always trying to give positive energy to receive positive energy. So I'm confident that I think sooner rather than later it's going to happen. So this is the update. Apart from that, my mum and dad are fine, thank you for asking, and all my friends are well. So we had a really good time. We ate a lot, so we are on a bit of a diet now. So salad, trying to reduce the bread, but as you know, Italian food is just amazing. So high five if you like Italian food. Right, today back on the craft room now, enough chit chat. So today I really want to showcase, well, part of the video I want to showcase this kit, and then the second part of the video there is a really cute giveaway, so keep watching until the end of the video. So today what I want to do, I want to showcase this is one of the newest mini kit. So on my website there are lots of mini kits. So there are kits that form of 4 pages, and the price is really silly. It's just £1.50, so very cheap. So this one is called the Golden Bee, and I'll let you guess why, because there is a golden bee. So it's 4 pages. So there's 1 page with 2 envelopes that you can literally fussy cut and get it. This is probably my favorite page we're going to use today. So this is an entire background when you got your golden bee. I don't really know what color you see on camera, but in reality it's like a greenish yellow. It's more yellow than green. So yeah. And then you've got the 3rd page with 4 huge tags. You just need to fussy cut, because I know you guys are going to ask me. So they measure 5 by 2 3/4, so very large tags. I love it. Do you know this would be amazing as a gift box or as a wrapping paper, and then put this tag on it. I think it's going to look really pretty. And then the last page is the embellishment. So you've got a couple of jars, all these labels, more labels, some tabs, some balloons, more balloons, and a little flower. So just to give you a bit of variety. When I design these papers, I always try to give you the best deal out of your money. What I mean is, you can create cards or embellishment, you get tags, you get one background that you can do exactly what you want with it, and some envelopes. So you can make cards and envelopes, tags, all sorts of things with just 1 pages. In this current climate, with this economy situation, every little helps. So yeah, the mini kits, that's what they've been designed for. So what I wanted to do today, I want to make like a little, well, it's kind of like a card, but can be used as a page if you stick this on your journal. But I wanted to make like a fan fold. Now I'm conscious that because it's a black cardstock, you won't be able to see anything. So this was my prototype, and I'm going to open up for you. So this, am I in shot? Yes. So this measures 7.5 by 7.5. So it's a square, but you can make this as a rectangular. So if you want, for example, 7.5, but you want to make it by 9, so you get a rectangular in there. It doesn't really matter, but I do like the idea of having a square. But again, you can alter this dimension. The only thing you need to be mindful of is you need to create like 2 squares. So one fold line is 2.5, and then you need to mark it at 5, and then rotate it and get another 2.5 and 5. So you need to mark it 5. So when you fold it, So you get a square on your left hand side and then a mark there and a mark there. So what I need you guys to do is score it a diagonal line from tip to tip. Okay, so you have 2.5 and 5, 2.5 and 5. So fold it and fold it. That's the only two folds that you need to do. So you get a square, and then the diagonal line, you need to fold it on the other way around, so like that. Okay, and what you need to do, you simply pinch from this 5 there to this 5 there inwards, and then you get this shape. Okay, so you got a little fan fold. So if this is a card, you know, if we're going to decorate it together. So this is the base of my card. So you get a square there, and then you get these little bits and pieces. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my this die here that I've got, and it's perfect because I wanted to get a bit out of it. I'm going to use I got some gold scrap, so I'm going to die cut this with gold, and then I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to use the background to cover these, and also what I want to do, I'm going to use the tags because they're perfect dimension to decorate those two squares here and this there. Okay, so I'm not going to use them as tags, but I'm going to use them to decorate my square. Of course, guys, each square is 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 by 2.5. So you need 3 squares that 2.5 by 2.5, and then if you really bother about, you can have 2 more triangles there and a square there. I'll have a look, see what I do, but I don't want to show you how to fussy cut the paper because you know, this, I'm in 11 minutes and 23 seconds. I've done nothing. So I'm hoping that the base is clear. Just to go all over again, 2.5 and 2.5. So you get a square, mark it 5, diagonal line, and you fold it backwards. And then what you do, you just simply pinch it and fold it inwards. Okay. Okay, before I show you the final project, let me show you this. My auntie, my dad's sister, she lives upstairs. So my mum and dad live in a building of 4 floors, and on each floor there is 2 apartments. So there's a very, very small block. So my dad's sister, she lives, well, so my mum and dad live on the 3rd floor, my mum and my dad's sister on the 4th floor, and my dad's brother on the 3rd floor. So we all kind of like all the family lives in the same block, if it makes sense. Anyway, so my auntie, she was studying up some albums, and she found us this picture. So that's me and my brother. Of course, my brother is 3 years older than me. So this picture was taken the 21st of September 92. And this is the era where we're still taking pictures with the actual camera when you couldn't see what you were doing, hence why this picture is very, very unproportional. So you see, like, I'm literally almost on the 3rd, my brother is completely cut, and then you got all this space there. But that is the beauty of it. So this is the lift. So my mum and dad live kind of like, that's the door, and that's my mum and dad's neighbour's door. So this picture was taken when me and my brother were by my auntie when we were going to the primary school. Look at me, how sassy I was. And the uniform was this blue, it's like a blue gown with 2 pockets and a really huge extra bow. I mean, look at the bow. Look how extra it was. And a blue backpack. Of course, my mum and dad used to buy the same backpacks for us, so we wouldn't fight over a coolest backpack. And then you had the really high knee length socks and the black shoes. But look at me, baby Antonio and my brother, how cute we are. So these was what, so 92, so that was 21 years ago, no, hold on a minute, 31 years ago. Oh my god. So I was 6 years old. Me at 6 years old, how sassy I was. No, 7 years old. I'm 38 now. 7. Sorry, I'm not good with numbers. But yeah. Baby me. I just want to share that. So she gave it to me. She said, oh, take it back. and for your house in UK. And I was like, oh, let me show the guys. I'm sure put a big smile on your face. But anyway, so that was me. Anyway, back to the desk. So instead of decorating the inside bit, I decided to decorate the front panel, which is 5 by 5, and the back of it, which is 5 by 5, just under 5. So again, what you can do, if you use this as a card, you can put a little bit of cardstock here and write your message. If this is a page for your journal, you can either glue the, don't bother about that, you glue it on your journal, or you can put a paper clip, and the person that, or yourself, you can take the page off and, you know, play with it. You can either write messages in there, like hidden messages, if you wanted to. So you can do what you want. So I have used the bee and literally fussy cut 2. So one for there, but again, you can do what you want with it. So what I thought we would do, a little giveaway time. When I bought this die, I bought 3 more for you. Okay, so what I thought we'd do today, I'm gonna pick up a random winner of these 3. Well, let's do 3 giveaways. No matter whatever in the world you live, I will ship you these 3. It's brand new die, so I've not touched it. So this is mine, and I still got 3. So I've not used a brand new, still in the packaging. Okay, so that's mine. The three of you. So I thought 3 of you that buy the kit will get the chance to win those ones. So I'm gonna leave it a week. So I don't know, if you decide to buy the kit today, between today and next Monday, I'll pick it up on Monday actually. So I'll leave it a week so you get a chance for everybody to watch the video. So for the people that buy the kit, 3 of those randomly picked will get a nice card and these 3 bees shipped to your address, no matter where you live in the world. Okay, so just a little treat for me. So yeah, so if you wish to buy this mini kit, I will put the link down below. £1.50, honestly guys. It's a very silly price, but I just want to make my art very accessible to everybody. Okay guys, before we go, I just want to shout out a lovely comment from Tamara, aka Black Coffee. So Tamara didn't know about me and Jamie moving to Italy, and I will put the comment on the screen, and do our boutique home. So the house that me and Jamie are looking for, we split into 2. Me and Jamie will live into the half, and the other half we will do like a boutique holiday rental. So if you guys want to come to stay with us for a week, of course we won't stay in the same house, but in the house next to it, you got big garden with a little swimming pool. So we will look after you. It's not a B&B, it's just a holiday rental, so you'll get your house for yourself. Okay, so yeah, and I also want to say thank you to Tamara because she bought the Roman kit 2 weeks ago now. I've done a video when I showed you we created this pocket circle tags using this Roman, it's called the Roman Empire kit, which is a digital kit. It's quite fairly big, full of Roman inspired elements. So this is 3 of the ephemera that were part on the pack. That's 2 of the old coins. So, but in case you missed that, I'll put the link of the video down below. I'm going to go now because I think this video is going to be extremely long. I'm very sorry, but I just wanted to catch up with you guys because I know you were very curious to hear the news from the house. Guys, I will see you on Wednesday for another video. Thank you so much for your love and support. It means the world to us. I just realized this light make me look very tanned, but I'm not normally, I'm not that tanned because it's been raining for a few days in Italy as well. But anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a really nice thumbs up. It really helps the channel and helps to grow on YouTube because you're telling it how much you love me and you love my content. Guys, there's lots of videos I've made with this bee theme. I will link some of the videos somewhere on the screen now. So if you want to carry on watching and get more inspiration, just click on the videos and it will take you straight in there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.